text me when she's done. Hi, sorry. That was the weirdest opening ever. Hi, so we watched some funny videos and decided we wanted to be funny too. Okay, so we're going to be funny now, okay? Okay.
It's happening.
Right now.
So happening.
It is so funny.
So hilarious.
You should laugh.
Your pants are just gonna get blown off.
It's so funny.
It's just hilarious.
You might not be laughing yet because you just don't get how funny it is.
It's just too funny.
It's too funny for you.
It is too funny for you.
You're just not cool enough to get how funny we are.
You should just go to a different video.
Yeah, where they're less funny.
Exactly.
We're hilarious.
We're not just hilarious. We're more than hilarious.
We deserve Grammy and like Dove Awards for how funny we are. Peace and out.